Hey Mallory,
Yeah?
have you had a happy birthday?
Yeah.
You're about to knock your milk off the table. Good job.
Yeah.
Happy birthday! How old are you?
5.
Mallory's 5 years old, and she's had Gracie over to play with her all day. Have you had a fun day, Gracie? You look so beautiful in your Elsa costume. And Mallory, you look like a beautiful punk princess. Careful, Lily. How's your food, Matthew? Let me see that face again. Wow.
Hey, Dad.
And little Ella, always isolated in the corner.
I remember being isolated. It means like stranded and no. And it's too long. And also, I made up something. So, Mommy, I want to
Okay. Go stand over there. Okay, go ahead. Ooh.
Happy birthday, Mallory. Queen Mallory. Sit down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mallory. Happy birthday to you. Blow him out now. Mallory, what did you wish for? Uh-oh. For your snow to fall off? Hey, Haley, nice work. Play set. Go ahead and open it up. Now you can open yours too. Oh, that's so cute. Pajamas, what do you say? Oh, Megan knows you so well. Paw Patrol underwear. Thank you, Megan. Oh my goodness. That was so nice of Grandma and Grandpa.
And I got it for you at the library in a red Beauty and the Beast! Yay! Mom, Riley's like,
I know. I should have waited for Riley's birthday.
What is it?
That's from Grandma Floyd. Holy moly. It's a karaoke machine. You guys are going to love that.
I don't think we're having.
Like puppy.
Good job. Sing with Lily. Here's that one control me. This is so exciting. The CD holder? Which CD holder? Let it go. Let it go. You'll never
Dad,
You can smile. Through the air into the ground. I'm sure that's flattering. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy cloud. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go. Let it go. The cold.
Anyway.
So good! Good five!
Can I try?
I missed out on saying one last happy birthday to her. Happy birthday, sweet Mallory.